Hello, everyone. My name once again is Atakofi Amwakun, a CPA by profession. As I already indicated, next week we are starting the Canadian tax season, and today I would like to share with you one of the key tax credits that benefit a lot of people. So today we are going to discuss what we call refundable tax credit and non-refundable tax credit. And I'll go ahead and give you one example of refundable tax credit that is very beneficial to so many workers who are low income earners. Now, when we say refundable tax credit and non-refundable tax credit, first of all, non-refundable tax credit are credit that is given to individual that helps to reduce your tax liability. But non-refundable tax credit cannot reduce, it reduces your tax liability to zero, and the excess cannot be given back to you. Now, refundable tax credit is a tax credit that reduces your tax liability, and when your tax liability is set to zero, the excess of it is given back to you in a form of cash, or CRA might write you a check. So today we are going to focus on refundable tax credit. One example of refundable tax credit that normally CRA is given to people is the Canada Workers Benefit. Now, what is the Canada Workers Benefit? The Canada Workers Benefit is a refundable tax credit that is largely given to low to medium income workers to cushion them when they finally file their tax return. So who gets to qualify for the Canada Workers Benefit? Now, the Canada Workers Benefit, you must be a resident of Canada, and you must be 19 years, and you must be somebody who is working, and you must also meet the income threshold. Now, the income threshold depends on whether the person is a single or the person has a family. If the person is a single, the threshold that CRA normally propose is around 26,000 to 37,000, and in between that, the threshold the Canada Workers Benefit start reducing at that threshold income. And then for family, we are also looking at 48,000. That is the limit that anybody, if you earn income below 48,000, but from 3,000 to 48,000, and you are a family, you can also get the Canada Workers Benefit. Now, how much do people get for Canada Workers Benefit? If you are a single person, you get opportunity to get around 1,600 if you file your tax return and you complete Schedule 6. And then, as I said, if you are a family and you file your tax return together, you get opportunity to get around 2,800 and you complete Schedule 6. So this is basically what we call refundable tax credit that is largely beneficial to workers. Now, students who are doing full-time and at the same time working will not qualify for the Canada Workers Benefit. But part-time student who is working, depending on the circumstances, can qualify for the Canada Workers Benefit. So this is what we want to share. As I said, the tax season is opening in the second week of February 2026. And as usual, if you are looking for someone to file your tax and you don't have anybody to file your tax for you, we are here to help you. My name is Atakofi Amwakon, and you can reach my number 416-543-7370. I repeat, 416-543-7370. Let us all try and file our tax return so that whatever benefit that is due us, we can claim it. And if you are also owing CRA, Canada Revenue Agency, you also make the preparation to pay to avoid penalty. Thank you for listening, and we will be coming back with series of tax education as the tax season is kicking off. So from next week, we are receiving clients, and we are taking client information, and then we will review and file their taxes accordingly. Thank you.